Hey everyone, in this Titan Tutorials video, we're going to show you how to change the thermostat in your Nissan Titan. Watch this video, grab your tools, and you'll be done within 30 minutes. For starters, let's point out where your thermostat housing is. That'll be right down here. And to allow easier access to the thermostat, we're going to remove the hose of our air intake. Yours may look a bit different, but for us, we're just going to loosen this band and remove. After loosening the clamp, the hose can be wiggled out. We really just need enough room to get to the thermostat housing. We're actually going to loosen both ends to gain some more wiggle room. Next, we're going to drain our coolant. First, loosen the cap on the coolant reservoir. You don't have to completely remove it, just unscrew it slightly. Under the vehicle on the passenger side, we'll access our drain plug. The easiest way to locate it is to look for the forwardmost tube of your exhaust manifold and find the plug about 2 inches below it. Remember, always allow the vehicle to cool down before beginning this kind of work. After the coolant has drained, we can remove the upper radiator hose. Apply some lubricant to allow the clamp to move more freely. Here you see the thermostat housing connected to the upper radiator hose. Using either a pair of pliers or a vice grip, compress the clamp and slide it down the hose. Here you see we've removed the hose from the thermostat housing. Using a 12mm socket, we'll loosen and remove the 3 bolts holding the thermostat housing in place. Once you've removed the housing, you can pull the thermostat out. You can do this with either a pair of pliers or with a screwdriver using leverage to pop the thermostat out. If the thermostat has been there for some time, it's going to take some force to pop that thermostat out. This one took a fair amount of work to remove. Here we've got the old thermostat that we just removed, as well as the 3 bolts to the thermostat housing. We're replacing the thermostat with an aftermarket thermostat from Murray, rated at 180 degrees, just like the OEM part. As you see, they are exactly identical in build and will function just the same as the original manufactured part. After you place the thermostat in place, you just have to reposition the housing and reinstall the 3 12mm bolts. Reattach your upper radiator hose to the new housing and move the clamp back into position as we've done here. After that, we just have to put our air intake back into position on both sides, and that's it. You can see our system is fully installed back to normal with a brand new thermostat. Don't forget to tighten the cap to the coolant reservoir as well. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time for another Titan Tutorials video.